Yes, and action is the word that we're looking for. Well, I hope that my videos are getting a lot of action. Of course, I don't know yet until I start, looking at numbers and stuff like that. But, as much as numbers are important, and I'm hoping that these videos will get some sort of result at all. I think at the end of the day, as I've said right from the beginning, is that it must be remembered that I'm doing this for myself. That it is a hobby for me right now, that it has helped keep me occupied, has helped motivate me and just kept me busy. Not that I don't have a whole lot of other things to do, but what I tend to do is I find that I tend to passionately attack, and I think it's a Scorpio trait as well. I tend to passionately attack something new and I get motivated by it, and then when I do, I throw all my energy into that, and then everything else just seems to sort of, be just left in the background. And I tend to be the same with new friendships as well. If I meet someone totally new, I tend to just throw myself into that new friendship, and some of my other friends will tend to be left out and feel a little bit neglected. However, they knew that that is the nature of, that is my nature. And they tend to wait patiently on the side for me to come around again, because they knew that when we met each other, or any new person that I meet in my life, that is how I tend to throw myself into it, and I just 110%. And that is exactly what's happening with this video at the moment as well. These videos are being attacked over the last 3 days. I've recorded quite a few, most of them in one take, I must say. There was hardly any boo-boos, except for maybe sometimes I'd just go and I'd be completely, my head would be completely cut off. So even with this video right now, I'm not even sure if it is in or not. I'll know eventually when I press the replay button. But having said that, it is really about growth, and it is about growing into something and growing fond of something. And speaking of growth, behind me is a beautiful plant, as you can see. It is just blooming magnificent. Seriously, it's a beautiful plant. I don't even know what kind of plant it is. I think it started off as herb. It could be chives. It could be, can't be mint. I would have recognized. I do know what a mint leaf looks like. But anyway, this was one of the projects that I tried to attack about 1.5 years ago. I tried growing herbs. My South African friends would laugh at me for saying herbs, but I tried growing herbs on the balcony, and I took 3 different kinds of herbs and I grew it there, and this was one of them. But after 3 weeks of trying to just tend to it, whatever, I got bored and I just left it. I have to say, I left it to die. I was very ashamed. I left it just to die. And then about 1 year later, cleaning out the balcony, it didn't take me a year to clean out the balcony, it just took me a year to get to that part of the balcony. I decided, instead of throwing out, and there was this small pot plant, so instead of throwing out the pot plant with the sand that happens to be there, and being a balcony, I really didn't have anywhere to throw the sand, I decided to bring it inside the house. And based upon, baseless, completely baseless, based on absolutely nothing, something told me to just give it water. So after a year of complete neglect, of it literally dying out in the sun and being, choked to death by the sun or whatever the case may be. Anyway, long story short, I decided to give it some water. And over the course of the next 2 weeks, just tended to it, just started nurturing the small thing. And this is the result. And I cannot for the life of me seriously believe that this is just as a result of nurturing and throwing water onto a plant that demands nothing in return. And I think that is the case of most things. I think that all of us will bloom, all of us will flower, all of us will blossom if we are nurtured. And this is the case of children, this is the case of animals. And we have, for me, this is just such a fantastic example that if you take care of something, it will reward you in whatever way it can. And for me, that is the same with friendships, it's the same with family, it's the same with taking care of a living, breathing thing. And while this is just a plant, it has responded to the care that I have given it. And And that is all that I think all of us as human beings wants from each other, is we want to be taken care of, whether we want to be a feminist or any kind of activist at all. We just want someone to take care of us. We want to be loved. We want to be nurtured. And I think that same desire that we have, we must always remember when interacting with others. And whether it's children or animals, remember that they will blossom, that they will love you, that they will bloom if you treat them right. And so in a world today that is so much full of hatred, so much full of anger, nothing is going to grow in that kind of world. Nothing will grow in that kind of environment. So please, be kind to whomever is in your life. Nurture them so that the result can show, whether it is your fellow neighbor, whether it is a dog in the street, whether it is a stray cat that comes to your front door. Nurture it so that nature can take its course. Keep watching.